Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. In our last tutorial, we have learned about all the functions which will help us to deal with null in Oracle database. Today we are gonna learn about aggregate function. Before starting aggregate function, I'll just let you know that there are some terms which we will get to know about. Whenever we learn about aggregate function, these things we have to use. We will be using max, mean, count, group by, and having. What is max, what is mean, what is count, and what is group by, and what is having? I'll explain you with example. Let's jump to SQL Workshop and see the examples. So here we are. Suppose we have a table called employees. Okay, so here the table is having these many data. So what if suppose you want to get the data which is having more salary, I mean the highest salary. You want to know who is the person, who is the employee who is having more salary. How we can do that? Suppose first of all we want to get the highest salary among all these people. So we'll do select max of salary from employees. So sorry. Yeah, so this will give you the maximum salary, the highest salary of the total salary column actually. So I'll do select star from employees here. So out of all this salary, using this query we'll get the highest salary. Okay, what if we want to know I mean which is the lowest salary. So how we can get that? We'll do select mean of salary from employees. Okay, so this will give us result of the minimum salary, the lowest salary of all the among all the people. So this is the lowest salary. One of the person is getting this much salary and one of the person is getting this much salary. Okay, so this is how we can get maximum salary and minimum salary. But what if someone will ask you that we have these department IDs. Okay, so we want the maximum salary of the department ID which is 90. Okay, or the maximum salary of department ID 60, or the minimum salary of department ID 60. So at that time our group by and having comes into the picture. So I'll explain you. First of all, I'll explain you what is max, what is mean, what is count. Then in our next tutorial we will learn about group by and having. Okay, so how we can do that? I'll explain you here. So as you can see, we can get the maximum salary among all the people using max command. This is max and salary. Minimum salary using min and the salary, and the count will give us total number of result. You can say suppose we have these many data. How you will get to know how many exactly data are there? So you can get that using select count of star. You can say count of star from employees. Okay, so this will give you total number of records. Actually total 107 records are there in this employees table. You can either do count of star or you can do count of employee ID. Okay, so this will give you a count of total employee IDs in this table. Okay, I'll show you this way also. Sorry, column name is not correct actually. So yeah, so total 107 employee IDs are present in our employees table. So hope max, mean and count is clear to you. In our next tutorial I'll teach you group by and having, which will give you more information about how we can get the maximum or highest salary of the department ID 90, or minimum or lowest salary of department ID 90. Okay, so at that time we'll do group by and having. Hope this example and this tutorial is understandable to you. For any confusion, any doubt, let me know in comment box. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.